What's up? ¿Qué es lo que hay? Look at this Subaru. It's pretty. Cool. We're going to check out a car for Alejandro. He wants to change his V6 for a 4-cylinder to make it turbo, to see if he can run faster than he's running right now. He's really slow right now. He want to be faster. So we're going to check it out. Well, Alejandro bought the car. He bought a 2008 Hyundai Tiburon 4-cylinder stick shift. A couple of friends of ours says that that engine is really strong. The plans for the car is to make it turbo, to see if we can squeeze like 400 horsepower at the wheel for that car. Look at the driver, designated driver. Look at him.
Jack.
What's up, Jack? Are you the designated driver? At Jack Luis. Why you look at me like that? Get up. I love you. I love you. I love you. Tell me I love you. Tell me I love you. Thank you. Alejandro already put the car on stands. We're going to be working first installing the coilover kit. We found this coilover kit. We bought it from a guy that bought it for his Tiburon, and we paid for this $150. And this is a cheap coilover, but it's gonna do the work. So this one, it have adjustments on top and on the bottom. Previous Tiburons we were installing raceline coilovers, and that one only adjusts in the spring, and if you want to raise the car or lower the car, you have to play with the spring rate, and if you lower the car, we're shorting the travel of the chuck, so it didn't have a good ride. So I estimate that this coilover is going to do a better job than the other one. Also, we took the strut bar. This is a DC CS2. This is a rear strut bar to give rigidity to the back of the car. We're gonna be adding the front one also. We're gonna put some good tires and everything, good suspension, and we are gonna try to do some laps in an autocross course. These rims are XXR 18 by 8.5. These are the rubber that came with the tires, but we are going to try to find the TOYO tires are AAA to get some rubber, and so we can, if we go to the track, we got a good traction to get those corners. So right now we are going to be installing the coilovers and the wheels. Set up a right height to see a little bit of change in the car already. Okay? So let's get to it. You have to take this part of the shock because we have to use this in the coilover. So I'm pressing here the spring because this spring has tension, and you're gonna see. You can see nobody got hurt. That's not the right way to do it. Something breaks or he dropped something off. I hope it didn't break anything. Are you alright? Like I'm saying, this is not supposed to be done like that because we are supposed to use a spring compressor, but we don't have it right now. So in the future, you're gonna see it the right way. So let's do this. This is the coilover. This is a hybrid with the coilover with the OEM top support. This is a spacer and a rubber gasket, so to eliminate the noise that can make the spring rubbing against the other metal. So that's gonna be here with the spring here. This is the other spacer and rubber gasket, and put this here. This is a collar, aluminum collar that's gonna be here. I have to take this nut. This is a spacer. We put this here. It's like that. And now we're going to adjust the coilover. So to do this the right way, we have to tighten this by hand until I can not do anything more by hand. Now we use the two tools supplied by the manufacturer to tie these two nuts. Just like that. Now we can install it. Okay guys, we already install the front and adjust the front tires and the coilovers and everything. As you can see, this is the fitment right now. Looks good. But in the back, we're gonna adjust this also, but we have to cut this. This is the lip. This we have to cut it and bend it with the tool. We have the tool here, so we can fit the tire and lower the car as much as we can. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's do it.